Alright, so right here I have Desert Wanderer and Master Chassis right here.
Hello there.
So, got LEDs up top, LEDs down bottom, crystal chamber, access door right there, and hit the activation button. So I changed the animations up a bit in between fonts. So like there.
Where is he?
The Vader.
Have you come to destroy me, Obi-Wan?
Alright, gonna slide this in. So just in order for this to work right, you just basically have to just do it straight from the pommel. I always just try to line the switches directly up with it and work my way through. So it's a very snug, very tight fit in here. You have to make sure it's all the way up.
Where is he? Prepare my ship. I will face him alone.
One of the real nice thing is that the kill switch is right there.
Did you truly think that you could defeat me?
Alright, let's slide this in. Let's see. There we go.
He is not braver.
Then you die for nothing. Don't be afraid. Come closer. You can't run, Obi-Wan! You can't escape him!
Darth Vader.
I see through the lies of the Jedi. You turned her against me!
General Kenobi.
I will do what I must. Only a Sith deals in absolutes. It's over, Anakin! I have the high ground! Anakin, my allegiance is to the Republic, to democracy! Master Kenobi?
I am, and when you have your strength, will help you on your way. Now that's a name I've not heard in a long time. What brings you out this far? The jungle and wastes are not to be traveled lightly. Oh, he's not dead. Not yet. Rest easy, son. You've had a busy day. Tell me, young Luke, what brings you out this far? Mos Eisley Spaceport. You will never find a more wretched hive of scum and villainy. We can pay you 2,000 now, plus 15 when we reach Alderaan. We must be cautious. Chewbacca here is first mate on a ship that might suit us. I felt a great disturbance in the Force. Be patient, Luke. Stay and watch over the droids. They must be delivered safely, or other star systems will suffer the same fate as Alderaan. If you strike me down, I shall become more powerful than you can possibly imagine. I felt a great disturbance in the Force, as if millions of voices suddenly cried out in terror and were suddenly silenced. I fear something terrible has happened.
She must be have hidden the plans in the escape pod. Send a detachment down to retrieve them. See to it personally, Commander. There'll be no one to stop us this time. The plans you refer to will soon be back in our hands. Where are those transmissions you intercepted? What have you done with those plans? Your dad warned you about this, DJ. Your mama approves of him, and your sister is dating him. It's DJ Kenobi. Still fire.
Alright. So yeah, really nice hilt. I really like the Desert Wanderer, the way it's set up. Really cool. Been so used to the ones with the switches here rather than using the Greeblies. But turned out really good, so later.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, then please press the like button.
And if you like what you've been watching, please hit the subscribe button.
To see our latest video, click on the link to the right.
Thank you again. Later.